5 bizarre ways scientists believe aliens will contact us. Whether we visualize aliens as ray gun-toting invaders or peace-loving geniuses, we are fascinated by whether they exist and how they might finally contact us. It seems that scientists are no different. From alien megastructures to space tractors, here are some of the more bizarre ways scientists have theorized that aliens are likely to contact humans. Number 5. Space tractors. Jaron Lanier suggested that it was time to start thinking about repositioning the sun and other nearby stars in order to send signals to aliens. After that, we should begin to search for signs that suggest aliens might have done the same for us. In fact, when neutron stars were discovered, scientists thought they might be messages from little green men. Lanier suggested sending a significant number of tractor spacecrafts over many years into the outer solar system. The spacecraft would be programmed to operate for hundreds of thousands of years, with their gravitational pull diverting solar objects. The point of moving stars around is to guide them into orbital formations that would not have occurred naturally. A group of stars organized to present a sign in this way might be called a graphstellation, like a constellation, but also a form of writing. This message would say, "Hey, we are here." Number 4. Needle in a haystack. Even if aliens are trying to make contact, there's no guarantee we would receive their messages. The universe is 91 billion light years across, and messages could come from anywhere. To narrow the search, some argue that aliens would be more likely to send messages our way if they knew where we were. A study published in February 2016 found that there are only 82 stars that we know of that have a direct line of sight to Earth. Heller and his colleague Ralph Pudritz at McMaster University in Hamilton, Canada, predicted that there might be up to 100,000 stars within this zone of the sky, some of which could have planets teeming with life orbiting them. One advantage of this approach is that this tiny slice of sky is relatively easy to search. Number 3. Destruction of an alien planet. One of the ways we might be able to spot alien civilizations is through the destruction of their own planet, says Dr. Natalie Cavrol, who is leading the hunt for alien life at the SETI Institute in California. There is a window in time when you can expect a civilization to get this disequilibrium as we are in now. During this time, you will find signatures in the atmosphere of a planet that shouldn't be there. Number 2. Wait a few billion years. Because it is so early, the researchers think it is highly unlikely that ours is the only planet that will ever develop intelligent life. In the paper, Baruzzi and his co-author Molly Peoples wrote that Earth formed before 92% of the other similar planets that the universe formed. This implies an 8% chance that we are the only civilization that the universe will ever have. Those are pretty good odds to say that we aren't alone. We might just need to wait a few billion years to make sure, though. Number 1. Find a clone of our sun. What if we could find a star that's similar in temperature, size, and chemical composition to our sun? Our Earth relies on the sun's energy to fuel life by using photosynthesis. If we could find a star that matches our sun, then maybe there could also be a twin solar system. In 2012, astronomers discovered HP 56948, the sun's clone, only 200 light years away. The chemical composition of HP 56548 has unusual amounts of aluminum, calcium, magnesium, and silicon, the same ratio as our sun. However, the system may not have an Earth-sized planet in its habitable zone. Even if there is one, it may not have the right chemical ingredients for life, such as water and carbon. And even if there is a flourishing world with life forms, it may not have progressed to an intelligent species. If it takes 4 billion years for intelligent beings to emerge, and if there is an Earth-like planet, then a civilization should be orbiting HP 56548 right now.